13-4, and let's take a look at 13-5, and it's not unlike what we just did for 13-2, right, or 3, or whatever the heck it was. It starts out the same way, and we have to answer the question. It says compute the coefficient of variation. Well, remember, the coefficient of variation is the standard deviation divided by this expected value, okay? And remember, when we did 3, we ended up with this, which I should have plugged in there, that this is the expected value. Okay? And so when we do 5, right, we're going to calculate that expected value, and then we're going to calculate our standard deviation, and we divide the one by the other, and we ended up with our coefficient of variation. And so since we basically have done those things, I'll just kind of walk you through without doing a lot of that. But put our data in, our probability, right? Probability times the data, or times the units in this case. Okay, carry that down, right? Subtract our units here, subtract our expected value from our units, either one. Okay, again, you could do it backwards and it wouldn't hurt anything, because when you square it, it takes away the negative sign. Okay, and then you apply the probability again, like I have here, times the probability, so it's equal to my squared value here times my probability. And I carry that down, right? Get all 3 of those, I get my sum there, and my square root of that, and you can see I did that one the hard way up there. I could probably do that one in my head though. The square root of 1600 is 40, so 40 is my standard deviation, right? And 80 is my expected value, right? So my coefficient of variation then is my standard deviation divided by my expected value, so simply equal to standard deviation divided by expected value. We really got a midpoint there, right? So kind of halfway from 0 to 1. And there you have 13-4.